In this video, I will tell you that how to book a return ticket in your Agent Air Blue ID. First of all, select your sector and then select your date and also select your desired return date. I have selected Islamabad to Dubai and selected my desired date and also selected the return date of the passenger. Now click on the search tab. In the next window you can see different segments with different fares. Now select your desired seats and desired date. I have selected without baggage, and in the return I have selected without baggage. You can also change your desired baggage policy of 30 kgs or 20 kgs in both segments. And also select your baggage policy in your return ticket. Now you can tab. You have selected your desired baggage policy, which is of 20 kg. Now click on the tab and continue for the next window. In the next window, put your information according to the passport record of the passenger, Mr. or Mrs., first name and last name of the passenger, contact number of the passenger, as well as your email address that you can retrieve your PNR from your email. Here should put passport information of the passenger, passport number, the country from where the passenger can travel, and should put the passport information according to the passport record. Now click on the yellow tab, continue for another window. In the next window you can see the reserved PNR that you have selected, Islamabad to Dubai and Dubai to Islamabad in different dates with different baggage policy. Now you can pay your ticket without any hesitation that you have booked. Click on the issue ticket tab and wait for the next window. Should put your password in the blank window and continue for further process. Thank you for watching.